Well, if it rains, that would be good.
Why?
You serious? How hot it's been?
Oh. No, why? Why is that good?
You like it hot.
Better
It's
than
105 degrees.
Holy shit! What the fuck? Holy shit, man, let's go! Holy shit! I got out of fucking video! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Graham, you were...
On video?
Wait, did you get on video? Did you get on video?
Yeah, I did. It's still rolling.
It's funny because you were talking about rain. And then... Oh my god, did you get the actual video of the thunder?
I got all of it. It's still rolling.
No, did you get the thunder strike?
Yeah, dude.
We were just like...
Holy shit. I thought somebody was like shooting a gun.
Dude, you like jumped out of your skin. You were like, holy shit, I was like, Graham. Then I started walking towards you. We gotta go, we gotta go. That is funny.